Hey lovelies, sandraivyrose here. Welcome to my channel. If you guys into DIYs, home decors, and more, please consider subscribing to my channel. For DIY number 1, I got this heart shape from Michael's, and we're going to be using the white paint by Waverly, and we're going to be painting our heart. And once we finish painting, we're going to let it dry. And what I did was I got a heart from Google image, and I cut it out. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using nails, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and our hammer, and we're going to be hammering down the nails around the heart shape. But make sure that we are hammering the nails onto the paper to create our shape and design. Okay, so now we've finished nailing down the pins onto the paper, and now I'm going to use my scissors to cut the paper to rip off the paper off the heart. Okay, so once we finish removing our paper, we're going to be using the yarn. And I selected like a neutral color for my yarn, but you could pick any color that you like. And what we're doing here is we're making knots around one of the nails for our foundation piece. And I'm just going around creating the border with the yarn. And just make sure that you're wrapping it at least one time around the yarn, so that it doesn't get unraveled, as you will see here. And with the yarn design, guys, you can go any direction once you have your border in place, and you can make it look as full as you like, and you'll see there in the design how I do it. If it's your first time here, well, thank you for stopping by. Please consider to be part of the family by subscribing to the channel and to hit your bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly uploads. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. Hey guys, how is the year going so far, 2022? I hope everybody's doing well and taking care of themselves and staying healthy. And I would continue to wish you guys many blessings for this year, and may all your wishes and your resolutions come true. Okay, so now I'm satisfied with how it's looking. So I brought the last piece down And what we're gonna do here is make a knot and to tie it and tuck the two ends inside of the yarn, just like I'm showing you here in the video. Once I finish make the knot, I'm gonna trim it down and tuck it in. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how I display it. So be sure to stay tuned. For DIY number 2, I'm going to be using this box I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna be using the white paint by Waverly to paint it. To help design our box, I'm going to be using these wooden sticker letters, and I had gotten it from Hobby Lobby. I thought I would be needing the hot glue to stick on the letters, but those are sticking pretty well, so I won't need the hot glue for this one. Hey guys, I'm doing a I Love My Subscriber giveaway. It's a $25 Amazon gift card, and all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel. Drop a comment down below about which one of these projects was your favorite and give me a thumbs up. All the information will be down in the description box. Thank you. So I realized I needed a space in between the word and me. So I tried to pry the letters off. As you can see, the sticker is very, the adhesive behind the lettering is very strong. Even though some of the paint came off, but I have a way of camouflaging it by applying this little heart in the middle, and that should cover that problem. So I'm going to be using this gold color paint to put the grooves back into the book stack, because when I painted it white, I had removed it. So that's what we're doing here. Next, we're going to be using this ribbon I got from Dollar Tree and to wrap it around our book stack and then tie a knot right on top of it. Okay, next we're gonna be using these hearts, the wooden hearts. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna select a design and I'm gonna be painting it the gold color and then put it into our ribbon just like so. and tie a knot. Okay, so now I'm going to be using these burlap hearts, and I'm going to glue them together, and then I'm going to put it on the front of our book stack to give it a cute design. Okay, so at the end of the video, I'll show you how I display it. Okay, so for DIY number 3 is super easy. Basically what I'm doing here is going to be painting the wooden hearts that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be painting it white, and I'm going to be hot gluing it onto this burlap rose bouquet that I also got from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we're going to be moving on to DIY number 4, and I got this from Goodwill. It's a wooden plaque, and I'm going to be painting it the plaster color by Waverly. And then once we finish painting it and let it dry, I got these stencil from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut it out and use some tape to secure it in there. Okay, so now that we have it secured in place, I'm going to be using the paint color Mineral by Waverly to paint our lettering. And then once we finish painting it, we're going to remove it. I'll let it dry just a little bit. And then once that's done, we're going to be using these mini roses I got from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to be inserting it into that little clip right on top, just like so. And I'll display everything at the end. Okay, our last DIY, number 5. And for this DIY, I'm going to be making my version of this tier tray, which I see a lot of people on YouTube have done in the past. And we're going to be using this round shaped wooden plank. I got that from Hobby Lobby, and we're going to need 2 for the bottom. And what we're doing here is painting it the plaster color by Waverly, and I'm gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna start on our next piece. For the second piece of the circle wooden plank, I'm just painting around the perimeter of it, because that's where I'm gonna be using these wooden beads I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna be hot gluing it onto the wooden plank, just like so. But I think in the future, or I would recommend rather, that you use wood glue to secure those beads in place instead of the hot glue, because the hot glue, it's a little bit messy and it might not be as secure. Also from Hobby Lobby, I got this wooden candle, and I went ahead and painted at first black, and I didn't like it, and then I painted the plaster color, and this will be the middle piece to hold our tray together. And here I'm just using my ruler just to try to get it as centered as possible. I did go ahead and use E6000 glue, which is a more permanent glue, and a little bit of hot glue to secure it in place. Okay, the top piece, we're going to be using those little wooden round plank I got that from Walmart. And we're going to be repeating the same process. We're going to paint it the plaster color, both pieces, and let it dry. And then we're going to be inserting the beads on the perimeter and glue it down. Okay, I flipped it around and measured where the circle, the center part would be. And then now I'm going to use the glue to stick it on there. And then for the legs, I decided to use these big wooden circles. I don't know what they call, but for legs. And I just hot gluing it and using E6000. All right, guys, now for the big reveal. All right, so this is the heart that we have made. And basically what I've done here is I put everything that we've made on the tier tray to display them. And this is our book stack. I think these turned out beautiful. These are easy but beautiful projects to make for this season. And throughout the year, you can display those. They're not specific to Valentine's Day, even though they have a lot of hearts, but if you have a lot of love in your home, I don't see why not. Well, let me know what you guys think of our project this week. I love it, and I hope you do too. Well, thank you guys for being loyal subscribers, and I will see you guys on the next video.